stop, and keep your left foot on.
Down?
Yes, stop it.
Oh,
Stop completely.
The brake?
Right.
Oh, hi fams, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's not morning, but that's the greeting, so I have to give it to y'all. It's after 4 p.m. right now and it's hot outside. I was looking forward to go to the pool today. It's not too late, might never know, I might still go. Yes, but by the title of this vlog, it's gonna get interesting. By the title of this vlog, it will be very interesting. So, today, I'm just gonna get right into it. Today, I'll be attempting to learn how to drive. My first driving lesson from the husband. I've been asking for this day since forever. Since forever. But today is the day we're gonna attempt it. So we're trying to go to a open parking lot or open space to see if my tough head can to see if I can get a little hang of the stick shift. It's not automatic, which suck. Before I moved here from Jamaica, I had started driving lesson on an automatic car and I was doing very well. Automatic, easy. 1, 2. I was even on the road at one point. But that's short-lived because I had migrated right after that. But I'm so looking forward today, and guess who is excited? Me! Tyler is so excited. Tyler been asking for Mama to drive since forever. So Tyler is very excited. But this Faith saw you this morning because we made rice porridge. If this is at the front of the vlog, then I'll show you guys what we did this morning. I made rice porridge, and you'll see Tyler and Babe's reaction and Sarah's reaction to that. But right now we're heading out. Sarah, are you ready? Let's go. All right. Look at her. She's so ready now. Look at a sexy outfit. Oh, Sarah just burped. All right, Tyler, let's go. Let's go drive. Hey, listen, look at my instructor. When your instructor is this fine, how does he expect you to learn anything? Inspector, why are you so fine? Oh, you're so fine.
She's on your drive. Look at the world.
I'm not sure. Listen, I'm not sure about that because right now, this snack right here, anytime they put on his glasses, he drives me cray. Oh, you're so cute.
Right.
Good morning. So I have a surprise for you. I have a surprise for you. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You have to taste it and tell me what it is. Ready?
I think I know it.
Well, taste it and then tell me.
I don't need to taste it. I already know it's rice porridge. Because I see the little tip of rice in there.
Yes, it is. How do you know that?
Because I see the little tip of rice.
You're too cute. What is your first time tasting it? You remember I promised you I was going to make your rice porridge?
Yes.
Well, I I woke up this morning early and make it for you.
At what time?
About 8 o'clock.
8:00.
Mm-hmm.
That means I wake up 43 minutes after you.
Yes. So you wake up 8:43?
Yes.
Okay, and it's now 8:46. Alright, your time.
That means it's 2 minutes since I wake up.
Yeah. Taste it and tell me how you like it. Remember, it might be hot, huh? So you cool it.
You already tasted?
Me? Mm-hmm. And I'm gonna eat some after I feed Sarah.
It's good.
Very good, but I want you to give me your opinion because it's the first time you drink it, you're tasting it. Cool it. Blow on it. Blow it.
It's like plantain porridge, but more taste.
More taste? When you say more taste, what do you mean?
That means you don't have the taste of the plantain, but have the rice taste.
Ah, you like it?
Yes.
Alright. Enjoy breakfast, my boy.
I have a question.
Okay.
Do you know how to do every porridge that I taste?
Yes. You want Mama to make it all of them?
Yes.
Alright. Mm-hmm.
When Sarah and me grow up,
Mm-hmm.
can you afford the restaurant for you to work and for breakfast you can make all of the porridge?
I think about it. That's
I want you to
maybe.
do that.
Maybe. You might never know.
I
We'll
want
see.
you to do that.
We'll see, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Enjoy your breakfast. I'm going to feed your sister.
But did you already do that?
What?
Of
I already worked in a restaurant as a breakfast chef. And this is what I used to do. I used to make porridge and fried dumpling for the restaurant every morning. So I used to make all different type of porridges. That was Mama's first job. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna pick up Sarah, feed her bottle, and then carry on with my day. I have so much planned for today, so let's see how I'll knock out this day. So enjoy today's vlog. If you want to see the method that I use to make this rice porridge, head over to my food channel at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, and if you scroll down on this page, you'll see the link directly where you can click on what else have a good day, stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Come for porridge, come. Sarah, I love it. I wanted you guys to see her having it. Mmm, yummy.
Mama,
Yummy.
I love all of the porridge like
Yeah, she love it.
but we are a big
They're ready to watch TV right now.
She loves the rice porridge.
Mm-hmm.
I love it too, but I'm not a fan.
Okay.
Sarah is a fan, but I'm not.
Okay, so you like the rice porridge, but you're not a big fan. You still prefer the plantain porridge. Okay. I've been waiting for this day. You know why I've been waiting for this day? Come. I've been waiting for this day with this one. Say good morning to the faves.
Good morning.
Can you tell we just wake up?
You can see my face.
Babe says that he hates
What do I hate?
rice porridge.
Oh.
And you guys know that I make rice porridge this morning. So I want you to at least taste it. I'm not gonna give you a bowl. He already gagging. I'm not gonna give you a bowl. That's why I didn't share none for you, because I know you don't want it. But I want to taste it from my perspective. Okay? You can do that for me? I'm gonna give you a spoon.
Boom.
Sarah ate a whole bowl.
Sarah had everything. You know something? Sarah, you're gonna give her a whole lot of things at 4 p.m. She's gonna eat it until 5 p.m. and 30 minutes after she's gonna get dinner. Like she have a hole in her stomach. You have to full
and refill and refill. Ready? So you close your eyes for. Open your mouth. You want another spoon? Seems like you want another spoon.
No.
Spoon.
It's something that it's like rice cake yogurt. The taste is good. I mean, the taste is not bad at all. You can eat another spoon, yes. But it's not something that I will
eat a whole bowl of,
yes.
Like the oat porridge or the
right. You know, something that I will
porridge.
enjoy. I will eat it if I have to. I'm not like bah. But I'm not a fan of the rice and all of this. It's just, yeah, I will make that my favorite breakfast. That's for sure.
But how is it though?
But the taste is good. If you always do all of the rice, I eat it definitely.
Because the flavor is there, huh?
Yes.
Alright,
the
so
rice
that's good
itself,
bread.
yeah, for
Sorry,
a person who
okay.
like that, you get a good
Tyler started eating it and then he says he's not a fan, so he didn't eat off his bowl.
Yes, Tyler is definitely my son.
And Sarah is definitely my child because Sarah finished the rest of Tyler's bowl and Tyler's bowl was his bowl with his name written on it and she ate off all of it just after I give her a bottle. Anyway, you guys, so there you have the reaction. I'm going to go sit down at my desk before I get a shower and start with my day. So you guys better go try rice porridge, it's yummy. Let me get in the president's chair. Let me get in the president's chair. But Jesus, first thing first, let me adjust my seat because this not keep. I saw me shot.
Yeah, this
My
one is
God.
so fun.
Oh my gosh. But we can't, no Sam, we need a cushion.
It is in the car.
Hmm? Is
Everybody's
this?
Google on it.
What you doing?
Sit down on this.
Oh, maybe you can use it up.
Huh?
Can you put it up now?
Not the back.
Okay.
I'm not talking about the back.
I'll let you on.
Where is the thing to bring the back forward? To bring this part forward. I already bring it forward this way. Oh. I'm adjusting. I'm adjusting my life. Getting like a height. Woo! Instructor, why you look so serious? Instructor, you look scary. Me scared. Me scared that the instructor, ya boy.
Ready to drive, Mama?
Alright. How much something down here, so I can't see?
Eh?
2? How much down here? I can't see.
When you say 2, I don't know.
How much things down here?
3.
3?
3. So with your left
I
foot.
can't see any at all.
1, 2,
Give me a
3.
phone. Light. I can't see. Oh shoot, it's 3.
Okay. The left one
Hold on. This is the left.
is only for your left foot. Press it.
Press it now?
Yes. Alright.
Okay.
The other one is to alternate. Don't press it, just go like this on top of it.
This one?
Yes, you don't press it. It's
And
the-
what is this one right here?
this
on the right.
is either the break.
Far right. Either. What kind of instructor this one? I don't know what either.
Alright, just do that.
Oh, so I use one foot for both of them.
Yes.
But you have to tell me which one is
I'm gonna
good.
tell you.
You won't be able to tell me unless you're sitting around it.
Yeah.
So pretend, no, you'll know. You can't pretend that you'll know.
No, try this.
Fire the instructor already. Don't say what I do, instructor. How can I instructor this guy for the phone guy research? Instructor, turn off your phone light. No, sir, the instructor and I keep.
Alright. The gas and the brake.
Okay, so the right far is the gas, and this beside it is the brake.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay. So now, for example, just press a little bit the gas.
You sure?
That 1, 2. It won't move. The car won't move because you're on 0. That's why I just want you to press a little bit the gas, just for the sounds. You see? You hear? It can't move because you're on 0.
Okay.
If you were not on 0, it will have moved.
Okay.
Okay, the brake on the left because it's the car. You can't brake and gas same times.
Okay.
So that's why is the right foot.
Gas on the right,
yes.
brake on the left.
Plus your right foot. So it will be easier to manage the brake with your right foot.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
First, put my foot on the clutch. It's called clutch in English.
Okay, clutch.
then you put it in one and let it go.
So now
let go this off my hand.
Yes, you let it in one. So what you're gonna have to do while slowly you put up your foot,
I slowly
gas the opposite way. Now your foot is like this, right? You're doing like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Go now.
You can go. You won't move.
Why?
You won't move because of the brake.
I won't move?
No, the car won't move, but you're gonna hear it. Okay?
Okay.
You want me to stop the brake and you move?
Yeah.
Alright.
I feel it moving already.
Yes, it does.
It's moving.
Why?
Stop and keep your left foot on
down.
Yes, stop it.
Oh,
stop completely. Right. Now you put it on 0 and you can stop. And you can, with your left foot, you can feel that. You can lift up your left foot. Don't put
lift up my left foot now.
Yeah, look the clutch.
And keep my foot on the brake.
Yeah, no, you keep everything out. Everything. Stop everything. Don't press anything. The brake, because this take the place of the brake. If I stop this, the car might move a little bit. If it's, for example, if it's going down in the hill, or if it's going, you reverse. Okay. First thing to do.
The first thing was to sink the clutch,
okay,
which was a thing here.
Okay.
And I put the car in one.
Yes.
And then I let it go and slowly push the gas and slowly take my hands off of the brake.
I take off the brake. You ready?
Okay.
Alright, so slowly, whenever you just lift up a little bit, the car will start to move already. Okay? Just a little bit. Alright, so just do it a little tip, slowly.
I feel it moving.
Stop, Tyler. Alright, don't go farther. Don't go faster. Don't go faster. Just stay at this speed. Okay? Just get used to it. Okay? You good?
My foot is still on the clutch a little bit, you know.
Yes, it needs to be.
Okay.
Alright. Press the gas in the same time than you
I'm pressing.
Alright, try to control. Turn. Alright. Turn more. Alright. You need to move on. Don't stay in the middle like this.
But it's not moving.
Don't go faster. Don't go faster. Right, go right. No, no. You're too far now. Right. Control your mirror that you're not going on the post. Alright. Now you can go. You have a straight line for you. Alright. Try to go a little bit faster.
Yeah, my import graphic a little bit faster.
Okay, you see this type of speed like this, you can control the car. You see, you control the car. Remember?
But my foot is still on the clutch. That's fine.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna turn in this blue
It's not
thing.
fully on it. It's not fully on the clutch, right?
No, it's not fully on the clutch.
As if it's continue. Right. Now we're gonna turn right.
I'm driving, hey, I'm driving. Ooh, goodie a drive. Goodie a drive. Talk to me nice. If you hang on to the handbrake, you know.
Just make myself ready in case.
Ooh. But now come, babe. Baby, I'm a right hand man in there. Have to tell me what I go and run there.
You know what to do. Continue the same way you were.
Go on, goodie.
I'm just making sure that
Let's go to start now.
With me pitting them in here. Me sometimes me pitting them to death. Me whole family alright. Me going on the right lane.
Alright, go fast, a little bit faster now. Alright, press the gas. Press the gas.
Alright, going a little bit faster, you know, babes. Why?
Slow down.
Before me hitting I create.
When you slow down, it's the opposite.
Yeah, I
way.
realize
The
that.
clutch
I
have to
realize
be-
it. I realize it. I figure it out. I figure it out. Good, you drive. Alright, good. Go on with yourself. Alright, can do one more turn. Let's not go on fit today. My husband can teach, do. Alright, man. Let's see if we can rev it up a little bit faster, you know.
We're happy.
So the okay.
Listen one. I'm so proud. I thought it was gonna be horrible and how
No. Honestly, you can travel well at low speed. That's, as I tell you, it's the harder. The harder things will be that to master the speed one, then the two, to go from 1 to 2, because once you're in 2, then you can let it go your foot off the clutch.
Oh,
Your
when
foot
you're
is
driving
like
in two, you don't have to touch the
no,
clutch.
your foot is like this. You're in, slowly you gas. So once you gas, the opposite way with your foot, right?
Alright, lesson one. Done. I'll take it. Home and wrap up dinner real quick, and this is what dinner looks like today without the sauce. Sauce not on it as yet. So this is Babe, the princess, the queen, and Tyler. Dinner for everybody. Tell Vince bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
say me and Mama went to the pool and we had so much fun. You had fun at the pool with Mama? You guys, Sarah and I alone went to the pool and she had so much fun. I'm sorry that I didn't carry the camera because we were just basking in the sunset glory. But another evening I'll take you guys along with us. It's time for bed. Say night night.
We have a new
Mannequin.
Lewis Hamilton, a new driver, a new danger on the street soon coming. So if you live in the area, don't worry, I'll make a post when she's about to drive. So just stay home. Yes.
You finish your commercial?
Yeah, no, I'm
Finish it,
warning people. It's very important for the safety of everybody. I'm warning people.
Well, guess what?
Right. You don't know what to
However
say.
I drive on the road, that's a reflection of the teacher. So, if you're a good teacher, I'll be a good driver. If you're a suck teacher, I'll be a suck driver. So,
when she was in the car and getting ready, she was already like a grandma grabbing the Nah, you did very well. Honestly, you surprised me. You know, because the first one is the harder one, and you were just showing confident. I mean, I didn't feel no. So no, honestly, you did well. And one time you have to restart it, but all along you were good. No, honestly, she did well. Yeah, I mean it.
we don't know when to take him serious. So let's just continue with
No,
these lessons.
this time I'm serious. You have something to say?
I am happy that you finally took me on my first lessons.
Okay.
So now,
I give
when we go on an adventure, when we start back our adventures on Saturdays, or Sundays will be driving.
Yeah.
So now you start, there's no turning back.
Yeah, sometimes we can go.
There's no turning back. Not
No,
every
no.
Sunday. I
No,
mean,
we won't go
no,
every Sunday,
no.
but sometimes we can go.
But these Sundays were mostly having
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
So, you know, can come off on my shoulder now in the comment section. Y'all can leave me alone now. See, the lessons has begun, okay? So let's see how many years it will take me to learn to drive. Or
Yeah, remember 4 boy, the little boy about the kick.
inside joke, you guys will understand. But let's see how long it will take me. I don't really care how long it take me as long as I get it.
Yeah, that's things that I think the French lesson, the driving lesson, that's thing that Natalia go back to school, and when Sarah will be back to school fully, that's the things that she will be about
I have so much to focus on.
to do. So yeah, we slowly put on things together. So yeah, we'll make it. We'll make it.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.